Hi there, students. Bauble, a noun, a bauble, a countable noun. I think we use this in two ways mainly. Firstly, on your Christmas tree, you have these balls, yeah, that decorate your Christmas tree. These you could call baubles. But we also use this word, a bauble, a bright, shiny, ostentatious piece of jewelry that's actually cheap. Yeah, so a cheap, flashy trinket. Yeah. Okay, so it's he bought some baubles for his young daughter, and she was delighted with them. Some paste jewelry, perhaps. So a bauble, a small, showy trinket. Yeah, glittering baubles, something that's superficially attractive but actually worthless. Um, so yeah, the businessman was desperately trying to make friends with the politician to secure the bauble of an honour in the or a knighthood or something like that. But this is a bauble. It's something that's flashy. Everybody goes, wow. But what does it actually mean? Does it mean anything? Okay, so a bauble, something that appeals, that's appealing, that looks great, but it doesn't actually have any real meaning. So, yeah, a trinket, a gewgaw. That's a good word. Gewgaw, Gewgaw. Yeah, something that looks great, a small cheap ornament or a cheap piece of jewelry. Yeah, trinkets. They were just, it's just baubles. Okay, so the she wore her baubles on her fingers. Yeah, these might refer to actually real jewelry in this case, but they're not a real symbol of affection. They're showy, but actually of no real worth. Yeah, so he gave her baubles to make her happy because he was a rich man. Yeah, but normally this is something that's showy and cheap. Yeah, something that looks very flashy. Um, Usually inexpensive, but it doesn't have to be, particularly a piece of jewelry. Yeah, she likes to dress up so that everybody can see her gewgaws, her baubles at official functions. Okay, a bauble. This is, I would give this word a 5 in formality. I think you could use it absolutely anywhere. So it's a good word like that. And as to origin, it probably comes from Old French, Bauble or Bauble, a trinket or a child's toy. Yeah, but this ultimately comes from Latin, bellus, meaning pretty. Yeah, so something pretty. Okay, so a bauble, a cheap, showy piece of jewelry. Yeah. Okay, yes, also, in the past, well, still today, I guess, a jester, the official entertainer of the king, had a piece of wood or a scepter, and that was called the jester's bauble. It was the mark of his position. So, bauble, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Bauble.